Good morning, guys. I am not in my normal setup, so if you notice that that's different, that's why. I am actually down at my parents' house, and my little nephew has a baseball game today, so I am making myself a sweatshirt. It's a little cool, which I hate because it's been like 80 degrees. So I went to Walmart, picked up this sweatshirt. I found it in the men's section. I think it was like $6 or $6.94 or something like that. My sister actually got one just like this, and I did a heat press design on her, so I'll show that to you after I do mine. But today I will be showing you how I heat press my layered items. So here is my main design, just so you guys can see it. It's this really pretty Caesar glitter white, and I used the slice tool, if that's what you want to call it, in Design Space to make this look like this, where I cut out the letters and the words to make my background gray. I will then be using my little baseball seams in red to add to those. This one goes down here. But yeah, so I'm going to show you how I do that. Bear with me, not in my own environment. Lighting isn't as good. Don't have as much space, but we're going to get this done. I'm just going to tell you, I do have my heat press on 336 degrees. I think it's actually on 335, but with these heat presses, the temperature goes up, down, and then 18 seconds, and I have it on full pressure. This is not a super thick sweatshirt, but I do have it on full pressure just to get it done quicker and whatnot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to heat press just the sweatshirt, see if I can pull it down with just one hand. I'm in an awkward position, and I'm in, and it's hard to just do that with one hand anyways, just to get moisture out of the shirt, just to make sure everything lays better. My timer's about to go off, so let's get this up. I'm now going to take this out of here, lay it on the table, and get my design all laid out. And where I want it on my shirt, everything looked good and even. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my Teflon sheet, put it over this, and with my heat press and most heat presses now, you don't really need a Teflon sheet, but I do it anyways just to protect my design, protect my shirt, protect my machine. So now I'm going to press this. So it's done, and I pull this off. This is your carrier sheet. And what I'm going to do now is take my little seams, line them up on here to where there is the cutout, and then the seams will be red instead of the gray. And this is a great way if you want to do multiple colors on a shirt or even a decal. The slice tool is such a great tool to use. That way you don't have like tons of vinyl on top of each other, and then it starts to, you know, it looks thick, and then the material might start to wear differently. So this is a great way to do that. I don't know if this is exactly the one that goes right here, but see, that way it can fit in there. I'm gonna have to fix it, but that way it can fit in there. It looks lined up and everything, but there's not all this material stacked on each other. So I'm gonna go ahead, line up my laces on the laces on here, and then we're gonna heat press this one. If you guys want to know how to slice, I'm pretty sure I have a video on that. If you need a refresher, just let me know down in the comments, and I'll either explain it to you in the comments, or I'll just make a whole new video doing a different design so you guys can see it in multiple designs. This is done. I'm going to try to slide my shirt out a little bit. Just be really careful. I'm going to go ahead and peel that off. And with one press, with this temperature and that pressure, and that length of time, it seems to do really good. So here's the overhaul. Seems like my seams shifted a little bit right there, so make sure if you are doing layered, make sure that you have it down really good. I actually kind of like the look of that with the gray kind of showing through, so that actually worked out really well. But they also make a heat-resistant tape. I've never used it. I've had people recommend it to me before. So that would also be something to look into if, you know, you want to make sure that your decal, whatever you want to call it, transfer, doesn't shift while the plate, your heat press plate, is going up and down. So I'm going to put this down. I will let you guys see the overhaul of the sweatshirt. So here is my finished product. I am loving this glitter white with the red. It just looks so, so cute. I'm so excited to wear this today. I'm going to wear it with like little holey jeans with some cute tennis shoes. And I think it's just such a cute way. And like I said, a cute way to dress up anything, of course, with our crickets. But this sweatshirt was like $6. So this was a really cheap project. So yeah, go buy you one. This was in the men's section at Walmart. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you learned something new. If you have any questions, comment down below, and I would love to explain or elaborate on anything you may want to know about. And I hope you guys have a great day. See you next time. Bye.